welcome to Patty Puckett Pouring Art. Today I'm going to do a dump pour, and I'm going to put red paint. Actually, it's probably 3/4 satin enamel from Behr, and the other quarter would be Artist Loft Red. I'm going to put that in a cup with white, Artist Loft White, and the Creative Inspirations Metallic Silver. I mixed it to make a lighter silver. And then I have the Craft Smart Black. So all these are mixed with Floetrol and water to a pretty thin consistency. So what I want to do is I want to layer it in the cup, and then after I see what I need of the red, then I'm going to thin it down more, and I'm going to put a base coat on, and then I'm going to dump what I have in the cup. So I'll be right back. Well, let me go ahead and I need to do that first. Okay, so I'm going to start with black. I'm going to start with red, since that'll be the last thing out of the cup. So I'm just going to pour some red. That's about it. I'll make some more for the base coat. And then I want to go black. I'm just doing one black sinking. Black's always heavier than some other colors, and then the silver. Go ahead and see if that sinks. Okay, definitely have plenty of paint. Alright, I'm going to set that to the side. I'm going to put some real thin red down, and I'll be right back. Alright, I got the red down, thin base, and now I'm just going to, I don't know if I should pour this or dump it, only because this isn't a square canvas and paint's pretty thin. Maybe I will pour it. I'll just pour it pretty thickly. Yeah, let me pop the bubbles. Wow, I won't even tell you what that looks like, but okay. Alright. Pour around. Why? I don't know, because I decided to. And what's left. Now I'm going to be tilting. I'm not going to torch the black. I'm just going to let it come up organically. I hope something comes over here. If it doesn't, I don't know, I might just pour the rest of this red on top of it. Oh, so I'll be back in about 15 minutes. Okay, the red's come through, especially on the sides. I really don't like this area. I had cool cells here that came up. I have some cells here, this lacing cells, but this part I'm still torn on what to do. I don't know if I should do a black and red splatter. I did layer the remaining red, silver, and black in the cup. I could just do a couple of stripes. I could do little tiny puddle pours with the colors. Man, if this was live, you'd be able to tell me. But right now, I think I'm just going to do a line, a couple of lines across. Maybe 3. leave this part alone and see what happens. Well, the colors I'm seeing and the colors I'm looking in my camera are different, and I hope what you're seeing isn't real orange because it's real brilliant red. By the way, the color I'm using is called Winter Poinsettia from Behr. I think I'm going to, I'll be right back. I'm going to get a little bit more black and put on here. Okay, I have a little bit of black. See if I can pour that over. I'll go over this again. It's sort of sinking. Okay, I think that ties it all in a little better. Cool. You know what? I think I'm going to drop some black circles on that. Do like a mini puddle pours. So I'll be right back again. Sorry. Okay, I'm back. So I put this in my pipette, some black paint, and I'm just going to drop a few drops here. It's really thin. Okay. I'm going to wait and see what that does. I might throw some red on top of that. But then again, I'm going to wait another 10 minutes. This is starting to break up over here, which is fine. I'll be back. Bring you down closer. Okay, I'm back. I went ahead and did some silver over here, and I haven't let it do its thing yet, but the black is cool. It's like puzzle pieces. And I turned off the light so you can maybe get, see the red instead of orange like I'm seeing in the screen here. So if it changes very much more, I'll bring you back. But I'll put some close-ups at the end of this video. And I'm calling this the web pour. So hopefully I can do it again. I love it. And maybe I'll do a little series on this. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Push that subscribe button. I think it's over here. Not sure. And we'll have a good night.